Hey, good morning, everybody. So, this is just trade recap today. Today is just trade recap. Crash the ship, but let's get to work. So, I wish, I wish I could say that I entered this and ate well, but damn it, bruh, damn it. You remember the pre-market analysis? It was done clean. I was waiting for the low to break. And just look at it, bruh. Like that shit just shut down, you see? So on the 1 hour and 30 minute, it left wicks, you see? And I won't lie, I wanted to see candle closures like this. I wanted to see candle closures. And the candle closures are only on the 15 minute, and that led me to just wait for it a little bit more, and waiting for it a little bit more, it just caused me to miss everything here, because I was thinking I was gonna wait for it to break the low and close below, then give me a retest and go back down. But um it took this as the break. As you can see, like it closes under that line. After it closes, it retests, bounces around, and then it just shut down. And this was like at about, I think, 8 o'clock or something. Yeah, so my hopes were already gone for the trade, like for taking the trade on that day. So I was like, we'll look for it again. And look, Thursday opened. Thursday gave us a nice, what you call, change of character type of structure, and it went down again. What I'm realizing about the Thursday, right? If Wednesday is following very good, Thursday morning, usually morning, it carries on the, what you call, the continuation of previous day moves. So that's what I've been just realizing. See, so let me just also do a trade recap for last last of last week's loss. Last of last week's loss. Okay, yeah. So here's last of last week's structure. So as you can see, Monday opened and it took out the lows and it closed bullish. Then Tuesday came again and closed bullish. So with that theory, like the way I tell you that I'm trading the weekly candle shift. Let me put it like that. Because I have a theory that says from Wednesday going to Thursday and Friday, it's closing days. So there's a high likelihood that market on Wednesday, not on Wednesday exactly, but from Wednesday, it's gonna give us signs for it wanting to change direction. Then we can take it to whatever direction is changing to. So for example, if Monday and Tuesday close bearish, Wednesday to Thursday will expect bulls, you see. And look, that's what had been happening. If you see, Monday, Tuesday closed bearish, right? And then I wanted to see a structure of some sort of uh, buy, like that change of character thing I look for. And look, here it was. See, it happened. But I want to show you what I did when I said, um, I think I might have taken it with the wrong lows, so that maybe you can understand. I think it was this low, yeah. I think I took it with this low, right? And then I wanted to sell. So immediately, I don't know, bro, but like I had my sell somewhere here. Yeah, I think it was this low. And then I sold here after the engulfing. And then I put my stops above here. Yeah, yeah. I put my stops above here. And then it tagged me out, you see. So why I was saying I picked the wrong highs and lows is because, yes, this low got broken. But me putting my stop loss there was high risk, because that low creates that high, and this is the high that market shouldn't touch if it's still carrying on down. And putting my stop loss on this high was high risk, because it just got created right now and it didn't break any law. You understand? So that's what I noticed by my mistakes. And I feel like I learned more from the mistakes and the losses, because now it makes me pick the A plus setups, And just like this last week's one that I missed, this was a very nice A plus setup. But things like this happen to the best of us. That's what I like to say to myself. Like, even if you look at me and I don't have them Lamborghinis and whatever, I know that my strategy is working. And right now, I am currently profitable on my level, on my terms. And from there, things are just gonna compound, because that's what I've realized Forex as. Once you get it and you use your money right, like all your withdrawals, you use them right, your success is just gonna compound. So every year you're gonna make more, make more, make more. So I'm just going by my pace. I'm praying to God that I catch more things like this. I'm praying to God that everything goes well. I pray to God like every week, bro, to give me a good trading week, bro. But that's nothing to record and all of that. I do my prayers in private. I don't need y'all to know that. I pray. I don't need validation, guys. That's one thing I feel like we have to realize that as human beings and people that want to succeed, we shouldn't need validation. The best validation is from yourself. So if you can make that favor for yourself and actually listen to you only and make mistakes and learn from those mistakes, gonna become better. And look at it, look. After it hit that high, my stops, it came, broke the low, and then went back, and we could have got a 1 to 2 here. So you see what I mean? And because I lost this one, my brain was just all over the place. This is the one that caused my funded account to breach. So I could have entered again when this happened, but my mind was all over the place. Yeah, so that's the trade of last week. Trade recap. Mantra 4, I think.